Welcome to Uconnect Services, a new range of services created to support you in the daily management of your vehicle wherever you are.
With Uconnect Services, you always have everything under control. Also thanks to Amazon Alexa voice service, available both remotely and on board for compatible vehicles. In the My Remote package, you can find At-Home Digital Assistant, the service that offers you an additional touchpoint to enhance the ownership and the experience of Uconnect services. To use Alexa remotely, you must own an active Amazon account. Then download the Amazon Alexa app in your smartphone from App Store or Google Play. Go to Skills and Games and select My Jeep. Then select Link Account and log in using your My Uconnect account. Authorize Alexa to use vehicle data. Alexa will allow you to perform vehicle remote operations, such as door lock and unlock or flashlight. You can access vehicle info, for example, to check tyre pressure, odometer and fuel or battery level. If you have a plug-in hybrid vehicle, you can also start charging, schedule the preconditioning, check autonomy range and the charge status of your Jeep. With Alexa, you can use the Send and Go feature to send destinations or points of interest to your vehicle navigation system.